Go. Looks like we got all three cameras working. Looking pretty good. Just switch between them here for you. Here's my driver's side camera. See, the slide's still out because we're parked. Passenger side camera. Oh, my sister's lawn. Looks pretty nice. And the rear camera. A little bit messy there. Got my water line and my macerator line and my power line, and my brother-in-law was doing some kind of project over there. Anyway, that's nice and sharp and clean. Looks good. Yeah, the colors look great. Great resolution. So I did a few tests at night last night as it got darker and darker, and I was really impressed with the night vision. It has color night vision, and it was getting really dark and it was still very bright in the display. And also these cameras are capable of turning on a very super bright LED segment on them that's almost like a floodlight. So I'll just give you a picture I took. It was hard for the camera to see it, but it really lit up the back of the rig. So if you were going into a campsite late at night, you'd have all three cameras could be lit up, and there's a control on this display to turn that on and off. So they've really improved the night vision. And of course the 1080p is really nice. They've also improved the recording of it. Some of the recordings of the old one kind of grainy, but these are really nice. So I'm quite impressed with both of those things.